If you want to change your gender on Facebook, all you need to do is launch the Facebook app and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then tap on your name, your Facebook name, and then tap on edit profile. On the edit profile page, scroll all the way down to edit your about info, tap on that, and then scroll down to the basic info section. You have your gender there. You can see mine is currently male. If I want to change that, all I need to do is tap on edit, and then from here you have the option for gender. You can see mine is either male or female. You can see mine is male, so the male is checked. If I want to change to female, all I need to do is tap on that, and also I can go for custom in case I don't identify as female or male in today's world. You can go for custom option, and then under custom you can actually write the custom gender that you want. Let's say you identify as something else that's not male or female. Let's say you identify as a zebra, for instance. So just type in the gender you identify as and select it, and then hit done. And then once you're done, simply tap on the save button, and that's going to save your custom gender. Now, having done all that, you can also change what pronoun you use. So irrespective of which gender you select here, you can actually choose which pronoun Facebook refers to you as. So as you can see, currently it's male since I've not saved, and Facebook will say, for example, wish him a happy birthday. Now if I want to change this, I can simply tap on that, and if I'm female, I can choose wish her a happy birthday. And also I can choose to be gender neutral when Facebook is referring to me. In case I'm sensitive about which gender Facebook refers to me as and I want it to be neutral, I can simply select the gender neutral option. And that's basically how you can change your gender. Once you're done changing, make sure you tap on save to save the specific gender you choose. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.